Alright, so we've hit our first dilemma on the highway. We are on, where are we? Highway 69 in Kansas, I think, Missouri, somewheres. And we had a blowout on the back inside tire. So we called Geico, which is who we have our roadside assistance through and our full-time insurance and all that good stuff. Basically just to be told that, number one, they can't do anything with the inside tire on the side of the road. So we would have to be towed somewheres to get it fixed. Okay. Problem is, they can't find anyone to tow a 33-foot RV to get our tire fixed. Yeah, so we're still sitting on the side of the road. We've called every number we can find on Google. Oh, by the way, it's Sunday, so everything's closed. We are near Lewisburg, Kansas, where we're going to spend the night at a Harvest Host. And we're 10 miles before our exit to the Harvest Host and the tire blows. So we've now been sitting on the side of the road for about an hour. There was a police officer on the way to see if he can give us any assistance. I'm not sure what he's going to be able to do. But long story short, no tow trucks available. No roadside assistance available to change an inside rear tire. What else? Called Good Sam's to find out that they can change an inside rear tire with their roadside assistance because that's what they do. So note to self and lesson learned, Tracy's inside right now signing up for a year of Good Sam roadside assistance. Problem is, it takes 2 days for that to take effect. So they can't help us for 2 days. So now I'm sitting here on the side of the road trying to figure out, do I drive 10 miles to get to our exit and hope the other tire doesn't blow? Can't sit on the side of the interstate. Tracy doesn't want to spend the night on the side of the interstate. So yeah, I don't know. But we'll see. Oh, here comes Tracy. I'm just letting all of our YouTube people know the dilemma we're in.
What's up, peeps?
So she just got off the phone setting up Good Sam's, but again, that doesn't take
Tuesday.
effect. Yeah, Tuesday. So either we find somewhere's the boondock for 2 nights within maybe on the next exit or something, or we go ahead and limp the 10 miles and get to the Harvest Host. Hopefully we can spend 2 nights there and wait for Good Sam's. Or maybe, if we're lucky, everything will open, all the tire shops will open tomorrow, and we can find a tire shop here in this little town that will change a tire for us. So anyway, that's where we're at so far. So once we figure something out, we'll let you know what we do. We might spend the night on the side of the interstate, who knows? But I don't know. We'll let you know. So the update on the blowout. I actually got a police escort, and we drove a few miles down the road to the Harvest Host that we were going to. So we drove 10-15 miles an hour on the shoulder of the interstate. So we limped over here, but you see, we made it. Everything's good, nothing else messed up. Like I said, it is Sunday, everything's closed. So we're parked at the Harvest Host. At least we made it here. We're gonna enjoy this Harvest Host and act like nothing's wrong right now. And then tomorrow, either tomorrow, a tire shop will be open, and we can get repairs done, or we'll wait till Tuesday when our Good Sam's roadside assistant will kick in, and then we can actually call them Tuesday, and then they'll come out and change the tire on site. So one way or the other, Monday or Tuesday, we should have Dakota fixed and back on the road. But until then, it looks like I have at least a day, maybe 2 days of sitting around doing nothing. So it'll give me some time to edit some video. So you'll probably see this video first. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw this video up there and let everybody know what's going on. So today is Sunday. What is it? The 22nd? I think 22nd, 23rd. I don't know. But anyway, it's Sunday. So I'll probably get this one posted. So this will be a up-to-date video. And I'm gonna go in and edit this one. And then after I post this one, I'm gonna have some time on my hands, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit and post the remaining, I think we have 2, maybe 3 more videos to get edited and posted. And then that'll probably catch us up to live to today. So if all goes well and my internet works well tonight, I'll try to get everything posted. So you'll probably see some videos coming back to back throughout the night tonight. So we're gonna get them all posted and get it out there for y'all to see. And then once the tire's fixed, we'll get back on the road and continue the adventures.